Very well equipped 2017 F-350 Power Stroke diesel. It is a Lariat, 160-inch wheelbase, under 20,000 kilometers, so we'll call it low kilometers. Remote tailgate release, backup camera, reverse sensing. You see the soft tonneau cover there. Beautiful step bars to get up and in. Comes in handy. Remote entry, remote start. Dual panel moonroof. We do have leather, power heated, cooled front seats. Voice navigation. Beautiful truck, very well equipped that you're going to find. Brown Brothers Ford Lincoln, we're at 270 Southeast Marine Drive in Vancouver.